Hi, want to know how to add or remove Google account from your Realme 12x? So, the Google account on your phone can be used for really a lot of features. For example, messages, phone calls, also a Google Play Store, and even more apps that are using your Google account. And now, if you would like to switch accounts or remove one, firstly, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named users and accounts. So click on it to open, and here you'd be able to see all of the accounts available on your phone. Here, as you can see, I got my account of Google, and if you would like to add a new one, we would need to click on this big blue button, add account. Here choose Google. And after this, you'll be redirected to the Google application, which will give you instructions how to add or even create a new account. So after the checking info, here you would need to enter your email or phone, then click next, enter your password, accept some of the terms of use, and after this, your account should appear on this tab, users and accounts. Here's how it's supposed to look. And now if you would like to remove an account, here we would need to choose the account in the list by clicking on it. Here we would need to scroll down. You can see all of the information that we got here. Now click on these three dots and here choose remove account. You'll be asked if you would like to really remove this account. It will delete all of the data from the phone. So here we click remove account, then we click OK. Then we would need to confirm by entering our password or using biometrics, and after this the account will be successfully deleted. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.